Here I've got an image file inside a frame in InDesign, and we're going to talk about the two different selection tools, which are up here at the top point in the toolbar. They do two quite different things in InDesign, and it's quite important to know the difference. The first one is called the selection tool. We can see that by just hovering over it. The second one is called the direct selection tool. First of all, looking at the selection tool, what this does is it selects the frame and the object at the same time. And it also moves the frame around all sides at the same time. So you can see with the selection tool, selected, we can grab our image and it moves the frame and the image around together. What it doesn't do is it doesn't resize the image, but when you grab a corner, it resizes the frame and it resizes both sides of the frame at the same time. Now with the direct selection tool, which is the one underneath, what this does is we can actually select the frame and the image separately. So now I have the direct selection tool selected. I can now click on the image and we can move the image around independent of the frame. So here, for example, we've created a frame, but I've moved the image around inside the frame so only part of it is showing. Also with the direct selection tool, it shows you the outside of the image instead of the frame. So we can now resize the image without resizing the frame. The other thing that the direct selection tool allows us to do, it allows us to actually resize different parts of the frame without keeping the shape. So now I've got the direct selection tool highlighted. I can select points of the frame and move it around without affecting the other sides of the frame. So here I can start making my own custom shapes and selecting specific parts of the frame to edit and move around.